Hey! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Annette. This is Glitter Nom Nom. You guys voted. I am opening surprise bags today. I guess it's been a little more than a month, but I had to wait for them to restock new surprise bags so that we weren't opening close to the same stuff as last time. And now we're back. I didn't forget. I didn't ignore the poll. I know you guys wanted to see this again this month. So here we are. Last time was kind of hit and miss. There was quite a few things I did enjoy and that I did keep. Quite a few things that were good and kid-friendly that I put in the box of stuff for the child. I don't know what we're in for. Let's just dig into these things. First bag. First thing I'm pulling out is a pair of fuzzy socks. Already a big fat yes. Thank you. Always need fuzzy socks. The next thing is a pair of crappy earrings. Do not look like I want to wear them, and I don't know anybody who would wear these. So I'm just gonna throw this in the donation pile, because that's not... Nope, that's a nope. I think I would like the dangly ones if they were silver, because I'm not really a gold person, but these are just not my thing, and the little studs are a little too cheapy for me. A 24 pack of hair elastics. These I'm sure I can find a home for, but are not for me because one, my hair is too short right now, and when it is long enough, these will break because my hair is way too thick. And the last thing in this bag, it says 5 pieces, but there are not 5 things in here. Are a pair of black ankle socks. Not as cool as the fuzzy socks, but I can always use socks. These are good gym socks. So that's keeping. Next bag, I got more fuzzy socks. Yes, please. Another pair of black socks. So, sure. Tech emoji audio splitter. It's got a little dude on it. Okay, I see. So it's got the initial, like, aux cord and then a bunch of splitters. This is for, like, party headphones. I might keep this in my little box of electronics just in case it's ever needed. Oh, God. I'm not even taking these out of the plastic. It is an orange version of the exact same earrings that I've already established I do not like, will never wear, and put in the donation pile. Ah, finally, something cute. A pack of bows. These are just the little, like, tiny, like, mini, like, alligator clips. So these I can throw in the child pile. I don't know why that was hard. And we got all 5 things. That's fantastic. Bag number 3 is the exact same earrings I just pulled out of the other bag. Oh God. More cute bows, but these are different from the other ones. So that's a-okay. More fluffy socks. They're the same pair as the first one. But who cares? They're socks. I can have doubles of socks. And the exact same socks again. Okay, well that's different. I got an A.co beauty sponge. I don't know, guys. This feels really freaking stiff. But I'm gonna take it downstairs, wet it, wash it, see how that ends up. But I feel like this is gonna be way too hard. Like, way too hard. You'll find out if I hate it or not if it ends up in one of those videos, which I may have coming up soon. And the very last bag. You guessed it. Fuzzy socks. These ones are different though. These ones are pink. I'm going to be loaded with fuzzy socks all year. That's better. Slipper socks. There we go. These are great. I just love these things. So that's a big fat excited yes. Another pair of these bullshit earrings. I'm so mad. I'm mad at these. I'm mad at them. Then we've got... Ooh, these are worth trying out. These are like... Oh, it's like a one piece of like cut fabric. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. I don't know how to explain it. They're these. things, these hair elastics. I'm going to keep these and try these out. That's exciting. Another audio splitter. So Ardene's really fucking sucked with their bags this time around. I'm going to give it a couple more weeks and come back and see if there's maybe some hope next month. I don't know. But we'll find out. We'll find out. I will do it again, I promise. So, this round of surprise bags was total shit. I wouldn't give it any potatoes if I had to. But I have a lot of socks, and the child has some cute little bows. And someone at Value Village is getting a lot of the exact same pair of earrings. I hope you enjoyed this month's disappointing unbagging, and we'll see how disappointed we are next month. See ya.